Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how you can add a reCAPTCHA to your contact form in Elementor. What we mean with the reCAPTCHA is this: what can avoid your website from or avoid you from receiving spam emails. So you add what we call reCAPTCHA here. So we are going to set up this in order so that you can avoid that. To set up your reCAPTCHA, first of all, you have to come to reCAPTCHA, then click here. After clicking there, you must have an email before you add. Then after that, this is the website we need to add the reCAPTCHA. After this, click on this icon. Once you have clicked the icon, put here the address of your website. For example, we are going to set up this. Copy this and paste here. Now here, paste here the domain. Paste still the name, the domain. Then after that, come and select the challenge. Then I'm not a robot. After that, submit. After submitting it, it will give you the IP key. These are the keys it will give you. So this is where you're going to set them. Go back to your dashboard, click move on Elementor, then click settings, integrations, then scroll down, reCAPTCHA. So here, the site key, which is this one here, just click here, copy, come, paste here. Now we are going to look for the secret key, which is also here at the bottom, this one here. So just click here and copy it. After copying, come here and paste it there. You are done. After pasting, save. After saving, go to a page you are creating your reCAPTCHA. You're adding a form, you're adding a reCAPTCHA, any form you need. So now here, click on this. Add, maybe we need to put it or to add it in between send button and message widget. Just duplicate this one, open it, select from here, reCAPTCHA, this one, click on it, fine, it will be here. Then update. So finally, this is how your page will look like. So it will look like this. This is how your form will look like. Enter, then check this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you need still to get more detailed information like this. Thank you for watching.